Hi, this is Extend Office. In this video, I'll show you how to convert numbers into Indian rupees in Excel. First, press Alt and F11 to open the Visual Basic Editor. Click Insert. Then select Module. Copy the VBA code provided in the video description and paste it into the module window. Copy the function name and return to your worksheet. Select an empty cell. Type an equals sign. Then paste the function name. Type an opening parenthesis. Select the cell containing the amount. Then enter a closing parenthesis and press Enter. The number will be displayed in words using rupees and Paise. Now drag the fill handle down to copy the formula to the rest of the cells. You can customize this method for other currencies as well. Just make sure macros are enabled in your workbook. Check the video description for the complete tutorial. Method 2 uses the new LAMBDA function, available in Microsoft 365 and Excel 2024. It lets you build a custom formula that converts numbers into Indian rupee words without using VBA. Open the Formulas tab. Then click Name Manager. Click New to create a custom function. In the name box, enter rupee to words without spaces. In the Refers to box, paste the complete LAMBDA formula provided in the video description. Click OK. Then close the Name Manager and return to the worksheet. Select an empty cell and enter equals rupee to words, followed by an opening parenthesis. Select the cell containing the amount. Add a closing parenthesis and press Enter. Now drag the formula down to apply it to the remaining cells. Excel will convert the value into Indian rupee words, including crores, lakhs, thousands, hundreds, and paise. Because the function is stored as a defined name, make sure you save the workbook if you want to use it again later. The first two methods are designed specifically for Indian rupees. If you need a faster and easier solution for other currencies, you can use Kutools for Excel. After installing Kutools, first, select the cells containing the numbers you want to convert. Go to the Kutools tab. Click Content. Then select Numbers to Words. In the dialog box, you can see that Kutools supports dozens of currencies. Choose the currency you need. To convert the numbers into regular words instead of currency words, select the option labeled Not Converted to Currency. Click OK. Kutools will immediately convert all the selected numbers into words. This method is fast, supports bulk conversion, and works with dozens of languages and currencies. However, Indian rupees are not supported by Kutools for Excel at the moment. If you need this feature, feel free to contact our support team and let us know. Your feedback can help us improve future updates. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tips. See you next time.